Hi, welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranley Place, where I'm focused on Hermes scarf style, knot tutorials, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the new channel members and special welcome to the new knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the membership options. In this video, I'll discuss a 90 centimeter silk twill from Hermes' Spring-Summer 2024 collection, Haute Parure, by Virginie Jamin. I'll go into some background about the artist, discuss a bit about the equestrian elements that inspired the design, and then take a deep dive into one of the available colorways to talk about color pairing possibilities. Let's get started! Virginie Jamin is a highly acclaimed French contemporary artist whose captivating works have garnered international recognition. She started her artistic journey by studying at the prestigious École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, where she honed her skills and developed her unique style. Jamin's artistic expression is characterized by a harmonious blend of bold colors, intricate details, and dynamic compositions. Drawing inspiration from various sources, including nature, mythology, and human emotions, her artwork transcends traditional boundaries, inviting viewers into a realm of imagination and contemplation. One of the defining features of Jamin's work is her masterful use of color. Whether she's portraying a serene landscape, a mythical creature, or an abstract concept, her palette is rich and vibrant, infusing each piece with energy and vitality. This bold approach to color allows her to evoke a wide range of emotions and to create a sense of depth and movement within her compositions. In addition to her technical prowess, Jamin's art is imbued with layers of meaning and symbolism. Through her paintings, she explores themes of identity, spirituality, and the interconnectedness of all things. Each brushstroke serves as a conduit for her thoughts and emotions, inviting viewers to reflect on the complexities of the human experience. Virginie Jamin is no stranger to equestrian tack, given her long-standing relationship with the House of Hermes. It certainly figures prominently in countless of her designs. How she manages to constantly reinvent is amazing. Given that, I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about the equestrian ornaments that inspired this design. Such ornaments as buckles, bridles, bows, and tassels have a rich history, evolving from practical purposes to decorative elements in horse tack and attire. Buckles have been used for centuries as fasteners in equestrian gear, particularly in bridles, saddles, and harnesses. They originated from the need for adjustable fittings that could securely hold straps in place. Over time, buckles evolved from simple, functional pieces to ornate decorations, often made from materials like brass, silver, or even gold, to reflect the status and wealth of the rider or owner. Bridles are essential pieces of horse tack used for controlling and communicating with the horse. Historically, bridles were primarily utilitarian, designed to provide control and guidance to the horse while riding or driving. However, over time, they have become highly decorative items, often adorned with intricate designs, buckles, and embellishments. Over time, bows have also become decorative elements, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance to equestrian fashion. They can be found on items such as saddle pads, saddle blankets, and even in the design of horse show ribbons. Tassels also have a long history as decorative embellishments in various cultures and are commonly used in equestrian ornaments as well. In horse tack, tassels are often found on items like saddle blankets, breast collars, and bridle reins. They add movement and visual interest to the horse's appearance, especially during parades or ceremonies. Tassels can be made from a variety of materials, including leather, fabric, or synthetic fibers, and they come in various shapes, sizes, and colors to complement the overall aesthetic of the equestrian ensemble. Now let's take a look at one of the colorways to consider color pairing possibilities. For this, I'll use the Mauve Beige Doré Multicolor colorway. Why this one? It's quite different from anything I currently have and isn't one I would normally try. So for giggles, I wanted to take a closer look. Starting with the colors in the name. Mauve, or this pale bluish purple that sits between violet and pink on the color wheel. Its name comes from the French word malva, which means mallow flower. Beige doré is a golden beige. Then there are blues, greens, reds, yellows, oranges, black, and white. Mauve, as mentioned, sits in the purple spectrum, so its complementary color opposite will fall in the yellow range. And adjacent hues include blue and red. The golden beige doesn't technically sit on the color wheel, but rather is a mix of brown, white, and in this case a bit of yellow. This is one of the universal neutrals. Blue, as we know, is a complementary color opposite of orange and has neighboring colors of green and purple. For green, its complementary color opposite is red, and adjacent colors include yellow and blue. Yellow sits across the color wheel from purple, and its neighboring hues include green and orange. Orange, as already mentioned, sits opposite blue on the color wheel, and adjacent colors include red and yellow. Then we have black and white, which obviously go with pretty much anything. I think that's the whole color wheel, isn't it? Let's take a look. So there you have it, some background about the artist, design inspiration, and styling possibilities for this scarf from Hermès's Spring-Summer 2024 season. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share other scarf reviews, tutorials, and more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time.